Hi, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Karen Prince, and today I wanted to share with you guys a 3-week update on my knotless box braids. So if you watch my knotless box braid video, I just wanted to go back and share some things with you guys that maybe I didn't mention in the previous videos. So a couple of questions I've got was like, someone asked me like how many braids I have in my head. I'll put that right here. People were asking of me about, how I got my parting so neat. And to do that, it took me a lot of practice, okay? I've been parting my hair for some time, so I've gotten better at it, but it takes practice and you need a good rat tail comb. So I'll insert a clip of the rat tail comb that I like to use here. And you really want to make sure your rat tail comb has a nice point on the end. I like the metal ones. You can use a different one, but this is just what works for me. In here, you can just see how my hair is looking within the braid. It's not poking out too bad. It's still looking pretty good. And here's what my baby hairs are looking like right now. I'm just going to go ahead and slick that with some Eco Styler gel. Another thing I wanted to go ahead and let you guys know, I actually washed my hair twice with these braids in here, and I'll leave a link to how I exactly do that, how I wash my braids, passion twist, faux locks. I just do the same thing with every style. Another thing I do want to mention is that I did not dip these braids. If you watched the first video, I just sealed the ends with foam. And I wanted to mention one more thing when it comes to parting your hair. So I like to use edge control to help me with my parts. And after I make a part and it looks good, I use the edge control and I smooth it alongside of the part. So I'm actually putting the edge control on the hair that I want to stay out of the way of the part, if that makes sense. So try that out to help you with your parting. Okay, so as far as how long it took me to braid my hair, I braided my hair over the course of 2 days. These braids were extremely long, so it took me hours. I did not count the hour amount, but I just want to make a point that this is not a quick style. So if you're trying this for the first time, it'll take even more time, all right? So just get comfortable and just watch some movies, pop some Netflix on or anything, and take your time and braid your hair. It is going to take you several hours to do this. So if you want something quick, this is not the style, okay? I've also received a question from a young lady asking if the ends of my hair tangle. I cannot say that my hair tangles up extremely bad with any style, and it's long. Sometimes it might tangle together, but I would have to say that this hair overall does not tangle. What I am noticing now that they're getting a little bit older is that they just are a little bit more rough, but they still look good. It's not just as silky as when I first put them in. Sometimes I'll get a little lint ball or something, and you can just cut that off. You can maintain your hair, but the ends do not tangle. Another thing that I wanted to mention is that with the technique that I use to finish these braids, they did not unravel. Now, I didn't tie a knot at the end. I didn't put any nail glue or burn it or even dip these braids. So go ahead and make sure you watch that video after this one. And I will put an iCard up right here so you can just click on it when you're ready. So I hope that I've answered all your previous questions from the other video. If you guys have any questions, please continue to ask me those questions down in this comment section as well. I'm here to share my knowledge with you guys, so go ahead and ask away. Yeah, but this is 3 weeks in. I love these braids. They're still looking good, and I've washed my hair 2 times since installing these braids. The knotless method really alleviates any type of tension. I am not heavy handed. So when I installed my braids, they were not tight from day one. They did not hurt. These do not hurt at all. So for my ladies who have issues with um, tender headedness, please try this style out. You will love it, okay? Thank you guys for clicking on this video. Go ahead and click that subscribe button if you wish to, and I will see you guys next time. All right, bye.